So what is up, guys? This is going to be just a update video on one of the sites I actually showed you a few months ago, about a month and a half ago, almost 2 months ago. This is the thumbnail for that video. I'll leave the link down in the description. But look at the balance currently here, okay? And I've got 1374. This is basically clicking the ads which I show you. It's you get a click of 1 cent per ad, okay. But look at the referral balance. It's $10.40. So this video is going to be very short. I'm going to explain to you how I actually got the referral balance. Now the reason why I'm referring people to the site is because you actually get 8 cents for every referral that confirms their phone number, okay. And the reason why I'm sending referrals to the site, it's I'm actually kind of like showing you guys how to get started with making money online here. This is not a site that you should use for primary income. Okay, I do show other websites that you can use for primary income, but you need to go down and go over to a publisher account which says silver here, and once you come there, scroll down here. So what you will see is you automatically have the silver account once you sign up, but I'm working my way over to the gold account, which is $19.95. Now I'm going to tell you in a minute how you can also get referrals to sign up under you, okay. So then I want from this amount here, because this will be $20 for your first month, and after that will be $30 each month. But what's gonna happen is I'm gonna start making money from that, which is basically you'll get $5 a day just for clicking the ads, okay. That's only clicking the ads. You get actually more for HTML code full access. Now let me there are other sites out there where you can actually pay people, even on Fiverr. You can pay them $10 to put that HTML code on their website, and your ads will run on that website. So when people click those ads, you will get 1 cent per click as well, and you'll be paying the guys basically $10 to $15 just to keep it there for a week, maybe 7 days or so. And once you get to $50, you start the same process over again, because from clicking ads you'll be able to get $750 a day just for clicking ads, okay. And then but you'll get 2 cents a click, but it can go up to even $10 a day. Some days it may be less. But how you can actually start generating at least $50 a day, $20 to $50 a day with this site, is by getting your HTML code and web API access out there, okay. You get paid 25% higher referral commissions, and you get second and third tier. So once people under you refer people, you also get some of those as well. So you won't be getting 8 cents, but getting like 10-11 cents for a referral once they sign up and verify. Okay, so that's basically it, and I'm doing this without actually spending any money on these on getting any of these referrals, okay. I'm basically going to be making about $30 a day from the site without having to actually invest any money in it, just time and getting the referrals. Now I've spoken to you guys in the previous video on how you can actually start getting referrals. The best way is actually always going to be YouTube, okay. It is the best platform. You need to start creating videos only on StarClicks left and right. Create a channel specifically only for StarClicks. Now I haven't done the YouTube method because I have so much on my plate. I can't run that channel as well, another channel for that as well. Then another method will be Reddit. Now a lot of people go to Reddit. There's this beer money forum, and people are looking for ways to make money online, different sites. Create an awesome post, okay. You can comment on other people's posts. You can do this on Facebook, you can do this on Twitter, you can do this on Instagram, you can do it in literally virtually any platform. But your post needs to be informative. You can't just go and create a video or content just asking people to sign up, okay. Tell them something about the website. Tell them in detail about your experience on the website. Okay, and then tell them all the benefits about the website, and you can get referral sign-ups like this. Okay, so I have paid nothing to get these referral sign-ups. I've only been talking to people. I don't even think I've actually been clicking ads for the past 5 days. And yeah, there's so many days I miss out on clicking the ads. It's just the referrals that are currently going to carry me over to this balance right here, which is from there I will start moving up to the $50. So once you get here, do not withdraw your earnings. Okay, just keep it in there, keep it going up until you reach the $50. Okay, it works when you start free, you get to this one, and from that one you work your way up to the $50 a day, $40 a month, sorry. But just for clicking ads you'll get like $7.50, sometimes $10, sometimes $5 a day. Okay, but you always make back your $50, which you can then reinvest. But the actual way you are going to make the most of this site is by having your HTML code out there on different websites. The more people's websites you can actually the more people you can rent space from for the HTML codes, the more money you are going to make. You can make up to $50 to $100 a day. But as I said before, don't let this website become the primary source of income for you. You need to look at other opportunities as well, and use that money to actually help fund other ventures for you online. But anyway guys, that's it from me for today. I will see you in another video. I'm creating all my videos in one day today because I plan to binge drink up until next week. So I won't be replying to any comments after today. But anyways, the link for the site is just basically the name.com. You can find it there. But anyways, that's all for me today. I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.